I got Nintendo Switch Lite, and the customer said he got an error code. So as you can see, guys, they have error code number 2153-0321. so this error code mean maybe the speaker, one of the speaker have some issue or short or something else. So first I will try to reset the console and check if it's working or it's not. Just click on the power button and see. As you can see, guys, the error code is still. So first thing, this error code is easy to fix. So I will try first to connect any headset on the audio jack. You know, when you connect any audio jack, the speaker is disconnected. So I will try to see if the speaker have some issue. Let's try to reset it. As you can see, it's working. That means I think 100% both the speaker or one side or right side, left side have some issue. So let's try to fix it. You need to turn it off the console. Turn off. This can have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also here 1, 2, and 1, 2. As you can see, guys, this is the right speaker, this is the left speaker. So I will try first to remove the cable here for the right speaker, and I test the console. If it's working, that means the issue is here. Alright, it's now just turn it on and test. Here you go, it's working. That means they have issue on the right speaker. So the part is available on our shop. If you like to buy it, just go to Aynax.com and buy it. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.